Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my take on Mongolian chicken. Of course, if you want to make this with beef, feel free to. So let's get straight into the recipe. Let me show you how easy this is to put together. Okay guys, to start this recipe, I have my pieces of chicken already cut up into small pieces. I'm using chicken thigh. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt to season and some cornstarch. And we're going to mix the cornstarch into the chicken. Make sure it's coated really well. Once coated, let's move ahead onto the stove. So I'm using my wok for this, and if you don't have a wok, that's okay, just use a big frying pan. Go in with some oil. Next, go in with your chicken. Spread it out evenly. And we're going to allow this to cook until the chicken has a nice brown color. Okay guys, once your chicken is 3/4 of the way cooked, just take it out and place it into a bowl and set that aside. So you're going to put up your wok on a medium heat, and to that wok you're going to go in with a little bit of oil. And before the oil gets really hot, we're going to go in with some ginger, garlic and chili peppers. And I'm using bird pepper. You can use any type of chili pepper you can find, or maybe some habanero or Scotch bonnet. But really try to see if you can get that chili pepper. It really does add a different taste and a different flavor. So we just want this to get really fragrant. And let the garlic get tender, but don't burn the garlic. Okay, once that's tender, go in with some water. And now we're building our sauce here. So to that water, we're going to go in with some mirin or some sweet rice cooking wine, or you can use some rice vinegar if you have. I'm also going to go in with some dark soy sauce. In goes some oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. So you need all of these sauces for this to come together. You can't omit any. The only thing I would suggest if you have to omit something would be the rice wine vinegar. Go in with some white pepper or some Chinese seasoning, a little bit of sesame oil, and now we're going to mix. I forgot I have to add in some brown sugar goes in. And mix. So we're gonna let this cook here for about a minute. This is our sauce. Okay guys, once you have your sauce, you're going to empty this out into a bowl. So just empty that sauce out into a bowl and set it aside. Okay, back into the wok, I'm going to go in with a little bit of oil again. Okay, once your oil is hot, go in with the whites of your scallion or green onion, or tripe as we call it in Trinidad. And I'm going to go in with my bell peppers. Toss that in there. Let this cook for about a minute. The green peppers and the scallions would take a little longer. The whites especially in the scallions. Once you see the scallion starts to get a little color and also the peppers, we're going to go in with some onion. I like my onion tender crisp, hence the reason why I'll add it after. And now some more scallions, which is the green part or the softer part. And then add in the chicken that we cooked. Toss. And now, go in with your sauce. And give it a good mix. And that's it. You want to taste and adjust your salt at this time, and this is finished. So I'm gonna plate this and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, Mongolian chicken. If you've never had this before, trust me, it's going to be your new favorite. The perfect balance of sweet and spicy. Feel free to use beef if you wanted to in this recipe, or even lamb. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me your comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye. You say stay safe.
Okay, the baby says to stay safe, everyone. Bye bye. See you in my next video.